Hey guys, what's up? Oh, I am like so reluctant to even film this video because I feel like someone's gonna leave a comment in the comment section and be like, you're a hypocrite. And you know what? I'll be the first to admit it. I am. I'm a little bit of a hypocrite. And that is because in my past videos, I've said, hey, PSA, stop buying rare plants, stop, spending 3-4 digit numbers on a plant because that rare plant is going to drop in price and what have you. And here I am. Made a purchase. But you know what? It's a pretty big plant. And yeah, I haven't, I've opened it, but I haven't looked at the plant yet. So I'm really excited to kind of do this unboxing with you guys. And yeah, so I have no real good reason as to why I purchased this plant, other than the fact that it will actually just complete my Monstera collection, in the sense that I would have finally obtained every single variegated Monstera there is that I know of as of today. So yeah, I had to do it. I'm sorry. And I'm filming this because perhaps this will keep me more accountable, and the next time I decide to spend, a lot of money, I'll look back on my video and say, you don't want to be called a hypocrite again. But yeah, so here I am. This is the package. I purchased this plant from the Elbow Depot, and if you don't know, now you know. The Elbow Depot is ran by a friend of mine. Her name is Ella, and she and I feel like we met during the pandemic, and she was the person that kind of got me into what is it, Monstera Albos. And that was the first taste of variegated Monsteras. Because then after that I was like, oh well, this one's a little bit too green, I want one that's more variegated. I wanted more white, and then it just led to here this is where I am now, and this is what I have. So this is probably gonna be my second to last rare plant unboxing. And I say second to last because there is one more plant that I have had my eye on for the past 3 years, and the prices of this particular plant just does not go down. But also she's not importing in small plants for me, so that doesn't help either. But yeah, so this plant is huge, right? And what I love about Ella, the Elbow Depot, is that she takes such great care of her imports. Look at the packaging. We have some popcorn foam thing. It's covered in cardboard, and then there's even, it's even packed in with some cotton. Okay, so the reason why I will always opt to purchase locally is because if you find yourself a good seller, they would have done all the work for you. They would have acclimated the plants for you, and it should be growing, it should be putting off new leaves, and you should be, in theory, getting a very healthy plant. And what I really appreciate about Ella is the fact that she imports these plants in. She ensures that the plant is actually putting off new root development, and then she puts it on her Facebook page, Pino, let go, for people to purchase. So he thinks this is a toy. I'm sorry, you guys, this is very distracting. Okay, that's enough of that. I'll move you. So yeah, I lost my train of thought. But my point is that she takes very good care of her imports, and she's not just importing it in and then putting it on the market right away. I know there are some sellers that do that, and I think that's just very unethical. Because as a person who is just a beginner, they wouldn't know how to acclimate that plant. I mean, some people who are actually into houseplants, they're just happy to keep the plant alive. So the fact that there are some sellers out there who would just import and then sell it right away, I think that's just very unethical. But that's just my opinion. And like, you know, I also sell plants sometimes too, and I actually do ensure that, you know, there is a new leaf growing or that there is enough roots that's developing. And I even take it like one step further where like I actually acclimate the plants down to like normal room temperature before I even like give it away. Not just room temperature, humidity too, because that's also important. Like some plants just will not grow unless there's like sufficient humidity. So I appreciate you, Ella. I really appreciate it. And, wow. You guys. Oh my God. I need scissors. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Okay. Do you see this? Oh my God. PETA? You don't eat cotton. Wow. I mean, I saw pictures of this, but like, seeing it in real life is so different. It's so beautiful. Wow, look at this. So you guys, if you don't already know, I got myself a mint monstera and this is what it looks like. Holy crap. I can't even. I mean, she looks a little bit wilty. But that's probably because it's been moved around a little bit. Probably need some more water. We have some like roots growing right here. So this was actually a cutting from like a 4-leaf plant. And yeah, I think originally it was like a 4-leaf plant. And she had cut it in half and had given me the top cut. And I was like, oh yes, I need that in my life. And I didn't actually think it was gonna root as quickly as it did, but here it is. So she has it in perlite and some moss. And that root is growing fantastically. I think what I'll do is I'm actually going to just kind of let it like hang out back there with the other plants until it kind of like acclimates itself. And then what I'll do is kind of convert it into like a water propagation situation. So it'll go into HydroGuard, and I want it to develop like water roots because essentially I want this to grow in semi-hydro. So yeah, I am so excited. This is like so pretty. It's beautiful. It's like stunning. But yeah. So I'm a hypocrite. I don't even want to tell you how much I paid for it because it's a little bit much. But yeah. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.